Alright guys, today's video we're going to be showing you how to test a fuse on your television. This comes in really handy so that you can replace a $2-3 fuse instead of a whole entire power supply on your television. Now I have a simple multimeter here. It's not very expensive at all. This is the multimeter right here. I will have this one or one like it linked in the description box below the video. And what you want to do is you want to set it to this symbol right here. Right there. Click up to that one right there. Show OL, open, on your multimeter. You want your red in the V slot here, and you want your black in the COM one here. It shows open, and so what we're going to do is we're going to test it. You're going to put the black on one side of the fuse and the red on the other side of the fuse, and if it continues to show open OL, your fuse is bad. It should zero out completely. If your multimeter does beep, it probably will beep as well. So as we can see here, it's OL. I'm going to go ahead and test it again. Doesn't matter what side, and the TV does not have to be plugged in. I would definitely recommend having all power cut to the television while testing this. You can even pull out the fuse and test it outside of the power supply as well. It will do the same thing. Make sure that no electricity is running through this board before you do this, because getting so close like this, you might shock yourself. So again, the black goes on one side, the red goes on the other. As you guys can see, my multimeter, because my hand's probably blocking it, it is showing 0 right there, 0.000. And again, just for kicks and giggles, we're going to go ahead and switch sides, red on this side, black on this side, and it does the same thing, zeroes out. And you can see some numbers on there because I'm slipping it down accidentally. Just place it firmly on each side and it's all zeros. So that is a good fuse. Here is another shot of it on the side here, if the camera can pick that up again. Left and right, and it's showing all zeros. Now if I were to put my prongs on the fuse and I get OL still, and nothing changes at all on the multimeter, then that is a bad fuse. But we are solid, we're golden. So that's a quick test to do so that you can save some money, replace a fuse or a other problem, potential problem, could be bad capacitor, etc. Hope the video has helped, and again, look in the description box below for multimeter and other links. You guys have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.